Imagine if one inexpensive vegetable sitting in your kitchen could help reduce acne, brighten your complexion, fix stubborn acne scars, and give your skin a healthy glow. Well, that's exactly what carrots do. Most people only think of carrot as good for eye health, but they are actually packed with skin-loving vitamins that your skin absolutely loves. Today, I will explain exactly why carrot works, who should use them, and I will share 3 powerful DIY carrot treatments that you can start using today. And make sure you stay until the end because I will also share some common mistakes people make when using carrots on their skin that will stop them from seeing results. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Senti, and on this channel we talk about affordable skincare, natural beauty remedies, and healthy glowing skin. If that's your kind of content, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now let's get into it. Why carrots are amazing for skin. Before we jump into the DIY recipes, let's understand why carrots are so effective. Carrot contains several vitamins and nutrients that work together to improve your skin. 1. Beta-carotene. Carrots are one of the richest sources of beta-carotene. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A helps regulate skin turnover, preventing dead skin cells from clogging pores. When pores stays unclogged, acne breakouts become less frequent. Vitamin A also supports skin healing, which is why acne marks can fade faster over time. Then carrots also contain vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the best ingredients for fading acne scars. It helps stimulate collagen production. Collagen repairs damaged skin. Vitamin C also helps reduce hyperpigmentation by slowing excess melanin production. That's why dark acne marks gradually become lighter. 3. Antioxidants. Carrot also contains antioxidants. Every day our skin is exposed to pollution, UV rays, stress, and free radicals. These free radicals damage skin cells and speeds up aging. Carrots are loaded with antioxidants that protect the skin from this damage. 4. Carrots also contain potassium. If your skin feels dry or flaky, potassium helps maintain moisture. Hydrated skin heals faster and looks healthier. 5. Vitamin E. Carrot contains vitamin E. Vitamin E helps soothe irritated skin. It supports skin repair. It reduces inflammation associated with acne. Now, how carrots help acne? If you are wondering, how can carrot help fade your acne? Now we look at it. Acne develops because of excess oil, bacteria, inflammation, and clogged pores. Carrots don't magically kill acne overnight. Instead, they support healthier skin by reducing inflammation, supporting skin repair, improving skin renewal, helping maintain healthy pores, providing antioxidants. When combined with a consistent skincare routine, carrots can be a great natural addition. Now, how can carrots help fade scars? If you have scars, acne marks, hyperpigmentation, how can carrots help you to fade all those marks? One of the biggest questions people ask is, can carrots remove acne scars? Here's the truth. If you have gray scars or deep pitted scars, carrots will erase them. However, carrots may help improve the appearance of post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, the dark marks left after pimples heal. So if you used to have pimples, after the pimple heals, at times there are dark marks, these acne scars that remain on your face, carrot helps to face those acne marks and dark spots. The vitamins in carrots support skin renewal and collagen production, which can gradually make these marks less noticeable. So all those vitamins in carrots help to fade acne marks, dark spots, and hyperpigmentation. So now let's jump into the DIY. Let's know how to mix carrots in order to help fade our dark spots. DIY 1. Carrots and honey acne marks. This is perfect for active acne, sensitive skin, redness, dry acne-prone skin. The ingredients that you need are 1 medium carrot, 1 tablespoon raw honey. How to make: boil or steam 1 carrot until soft. At times you don't need to boil or steam, you can just grate or mash it. Mash it into a smooth paste. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix thoroughly. Apply a generous layer to clean skin. Leave for 20 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. Why this DIY works? Honey naturally attracts moisture to the skin and has antibacterial properties that may help reduce acne-causing bacteria. Combined with carrot, this mask suits irritated skin while keeping it hydrated. Use this mask 2 or 3 times each week. So you don't need to use it every day. 2 to 3 times a week is best. DIY number 2, carrot and yogurt dark spot mask. Perfect for dark spots, acne marks, uneven skin tone, dull skin. The ingredients that you will need are 1 cooked carrot, 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon turmeric. For the carrot, you don't need to cook it. You can use fresh carrot, grate or blend it. Mash the carrot, mix with yogurt, add turmeric if desired. Apply evenly on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. After which you wash off gently. Benefits: why this DIY works: the lactic acid in yogurt provides gentle exfoliation, helping remove dead skin cells and brighten the complexion. Carrot nourishes the skin with vitamins, while turmeric may help calm inflammation and enhance the skin natural radiance. Use these masks once or twice a week. DIY number 3, carrot, aloe vera and oatmeal mask. This DIY recipe is amazing if you have sensitive skin, acne, redness, inflammation, itchy skin. Ingredients that you need are 1 carrot, 2 tablespoons fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon finely ground oatmeal. Mash the carrot, add aloe vera gently, mix in oatmeal until you get a smooth paste. Apply on your face and leave it on for 20 minutes. Massage gently before rinsing off. The benefit of this DIY recipe is aloe vera helps calm irritated skin and provides lightweight hydration, while oatmeal is known for its soothing properties and gentle exfoliation. Together with carrot, this mask can leave the skin feeling softer, calmer and refreshed. Use once or twice weekly. Let me give you a bonus. Drink carrot juice for better skin. Yes, you can blend carrot juice and drink it for better and glowing skin. Healthy skin starts from within. Eating carrots or drinking fresh carrot juice gives your body nutrients like beta-carotene and vitamin C that supports overall skin health. While carrot juice alone won't cure acne, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables can contribute to healthier looking skin over time. Important tips: before trying any DIY masks, always patch test on a small area of skin for 24 hours to check for irritation. Apply masks to clean skin. Moisturize afterward to maintain your skin barrier. Wear sunscreen, which is very important. Wear sunscreen every day, especially if you are trying to fade dark spots. And also, avoid using DIY masks every day. 1 to 3 times a week is usually enough. You don't need to be doing the routine every day. It can damage your skin. If you have severe acne or persistent scarring, consider seeing a dermatologist for personalized treatment. If you are consistent, you may notice after 1 week, your skin may feel softer and more hydrated. After 2 to 4 weeks, your complexion may appear brighter and redness may begin to improve. And after 6 to 12 weeks, some post-acne dark marks may gradually fade when combined with good skincare and daily sunscreen use. Remember, natural remedies take time. Consistency is more important than expecting overnight results. So these are the three favorite carrot DIY treatment for acne and acne marks. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with someone who struggles with acne or dark spots. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and take good care of your skin. Bye.